Abana baine entarantaza eby'emizaano omu ihanga n'aheeru y'ihanga nibakira kubonabona ahabw'okubura obwezi na munonga ahabikwatiraine n'endya nungi ekibarikugira ngu abazaani aba kubakuba nibatunga ebyokurya eby'okubongyera amaani nikireetera abazaana gye bataine kwetomboira.
Third, to foster the adoption of health lifestyles through communal physical activities while showcasing token as a sustainable energy source for athletes. And finally, but not least, support the East African highland green banana cropping system and therefore supporting our farmers.
Very skeptical about it Uganda, buy Uganda, but it's very clear what is going on here is a proof of concept that very many good things can come from Uganda. Professor and the leadership of the district, whenever we travel for the games, we go for the Olympic Games, Commonwealth Games, African Games. These athletes you see here, some of them struggle with getting the right food. The Chinese who we compete against, for them they come with 1 ton of their own food.
Abantu bashobora ngu endwara y'okushinya nekyeyongyera omu ihanga kandi n'omu Bushenyi nayo ekirimu ekibarikugira ngu okwiruka oku kubaasa kwija kuyambaho kyangu.
Children under 5 affected by stunted growth and acute malnutrition still present in vulnerable communities. The key indicators show that stunting is at approximately 25 to 29%, wasting at about 3.2 to 3.6%, and anemia affecting around half of the children under 5, and about 25% to 32.8% of women of childbearing age.
Twebaze Prosper chairman w'entebe ya Katana bwa Bushenyi nashobora okwarkwija kubaho n'okushomesa abanyabushenyi okurebeka ngu bayegesibwe endisa nungi y'abaana baabo na munonga abo abarikuba bagira amabeere g'abanyina bo.
Nijo kwirukanga President Museveni akuteereza okuba omugenyi mukuru kurumuna n'enshonga zo kugira ngu habeho okwegesa abantu okubashemekurisa abantu baabo kutabuhuguza ebyokurya baproducinga nuko abaana babo bakarya ebyasigara habanze habaho kurisa abana kurungi akuba Bushenyi nemanyo ku districts zimwe ezine ebyokurya bingi konka abana bagunire.
Dr. Ronald Rukare President wa Uganda National for Commonwealth kandi orukukurira ekitongole kya Uganda Olympic Common Games yasima Dr. Florence Muranga ori Director General wa Factory y'ebitookye ya Bushenyi ahabw'enkwatanisa nungi na n'okwehayo okushagika eby'emizaano.
We are preparing teams of Olympics, Commonwealth Games, African Games. Nutrition nezana a very important role. So twashare mnongo that happy to the Olympic Day run ebiro abiri June aha Bushenyi twina kilometer 5 21 that ni chabona abom Bushenyi the farmers abom Ishomero the community and the districts zone is surrounding Bushenyi baije letabom this Olympic Day run.
Olympic Day Toke Run neija kubaho ebiro by'okwezi 20 okwezi kwa mukaaga 2026 kandi ah'izooba eryo nibateekateeka kurundana sente zirikwingana biliyoni 4 na miliyoni 27 kandi omugenyi mukuru naateekateekwa kuba mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
As already highlighted for this reception year, we are mobilizing a total of 4.47 billion only, for which 2.5 billion go on the legacy of making nutrition available for all sustainably.
Abanyabushenyi na district ezehinguririzeho nibashabwa kwija bakashagikaho omurimo ogu ogw'okuyamba abanya Uganda. Gasha Olivia na Asasiro mu Bushenyi.